Okay, so this is a spectrum analyzer. We use this one with our site survey tool. Um, what you see in the top right here, this is the 5 gigahertz frequency across all the Wi-Fi channels. Um, basically, the little bars here are where we have access points and what channels they're on. And then the bottom here is, the access point name and channel that it's using, and then signal level is how loud we hear it. Whereas, it's in negative decibels, so lower, less negative is stronger, right? So negative 34 is stronger than negative 82. So what I have is an iPad. I'm going to connect, so it should be on channel 48. And this access point ITCG044-M Atkins. I'm going to refresh the wireless controller to make sure. Yeah, so it's still on channel 48. And so I'm going to turn that on and unlock it. And so I'm going to play a video. And so I'm going to make it HD quality. And so you can see it downloading here on channel 48. So that should be the video downloading and playing. So it's probably cached at this point. Let me back it up. Let me play the video again. I'll refresh it, make sure it downloads. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is turn on the Apple TV. So it's a wired 4K Apple TV in the same room. And once it comes on, I'm going to turn on screen mirroring. So it's on, screen mirroring. And so now you see the same video playing across here, and it's using channels 149, 153, which are documented that it would do those if it's doing direct connect. But now you see 157, 161 also being used. And the strange thing is, I don't think I've ever seen the documentation saying this, but it looks like it's using 36, 40, 44, and 48 also. So I'm going to play the video, back it up, play it again. And so that's kind of not really my expected behavior. But, while this is happening, it would conflict with any other access points we have in those channels. And so in this case, it's probably causing trouble for my iPad to get on the internet because it's also using channel 48. And so this channel 36 is somebody probably upstairs using channel 36 pretty heavily. So like as a comparison here, let me run a speed test so you can kind of see. So this is still screen sharing, but I'm going to run speedtest.net app. And so you should see it get really dark here on channel 48 as it's doing the download and upload. So right now it's downloading kind of slow, 27, 30, 35, 37. It's slowly creeping up to 50 or so, to 48. So now the upload is staying around 50 also. But just give you a reference of like, here's what, a lot of traffic is. And then, you can see the screen sharing where it's also using some of the same channels. So, okay, so I'm going to turn off the screen sharing. If I can get to the right swiping area. Okay, so screen sharing's off. You should see the channels to the left and to the right go away. So they kind of stop getting used. So that's the example of airtime being used by Apple TVs doing direct connect.